Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a very simple way of making ogbono soup. So first off, we need to go in with some beef. Salt, some non-cubes seasoning, some crayfish, so this is one chopped onion. I'm going to add everything. After letting the beef sweat out, I'm going to go in with some water. I'll cover and let this boil. So I'm going to add some more water. I'm going to add this smoked boneless fish to the soup. Add some more crayfish. So for this method, I'm not going to fry the ogbono. So what I'm going to do is to come here, this is the ogbono, come here with some red palm oil. Okay. Then I'll just go ahead and do this. So after mixing, this is what you have. Okay, your ogbono should look like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in here. Cover and let it boil. So the next thing to do, I'm going to come here with my already cooked cow skin. Then the bitter leaf. I'm gonna cover this, let it boil for like 10 minutes, and then this soup is ready. So this ogbono soup is ready. Thank you so much, guys, for sticking with me to the end. Do have yourself a very beautiful day. Bye bye.